This is something that you can't recreate. This is a truly historic moment, not just for you, but for the entire Indian space tech industry. While you may be soaring in skies, you're still rooted, in a place where you belong. And I truly love the fact that you've done it from India and you've done it from Hyderabad and Telangana. I would absolutely be thrilled, and I would love to see Hyderabad as a space tech capital of India. Now Skyroot, of course, has made us proud. Let's also cheer each other so that we actually become the space tech hub and space tech capital for India.